Today I'm excited to share something that has completely transformed the way we illuminate our home's exterior. If you've ever dealt with the hassle of hanging and taking down seasonal lights, you know it can be a tedious process. I decided to make the switch to permanent outdoor lights to simplify that routine. I would recommend checking out Govee, which is the market leader for at least permanent outdoor lighting, but also quite a few other lighting products. Our neighborhood is particularly enthusiastic about decorating for Halloween, so we turn on a Halloween effect. There's 75 different scenes that come in the Govee smart home app that is used to control your lights. You can control each individual LED, or you can pick from that huge collection of scenes that includes Christmas, Halloween, fall, all kinds of different themes of lights and effects. This particular set comes with multiple strands of LEDs as well as extensions that have no LEDs, so you can transition from one layer down to another, as we've done here. We started at this little cove and then we went up and did a transition with one of the extensions to come down to this level cleanly. Hopefully this gives you an idea of what 150 feet can do. So it covers this whole front face, including coming out around the garage up, and then this length here on the side of the garage. If you install these lights and expect them to actually be permanent, you're going to want something stronger than the 3M backing material that is meant to peel and stick to your soffits. The instructions have you clean your soffits with alcohol wipe or something like that, and then apply the 3M, and they also send you with several clips so that you can clip segments along the way, but lacking in terms of the number of clips. So I went and purchased electrical cable staples. I bought 100 pack. The clips that come with the Govee platform and the 100 additional staples are what is keeping our lights up right now. And the 3M is working on some LEDs and not working on a handful of others, so definitely want a different mechanism for keeping them mounted. We have them facing down because they basically cast their plume of light onto the siding. Let's take a look at some other scenes. It's fall time, so I'll try a cornfield. You can see that it's not only the colors but also the effect. The colors move around, or the lights chase each other. In this video, I'm showcasing the older model of the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights. Because we've had ours for about 2 years, there is a newer model which has an improved LED. If you look at ours, you can see that I'm currently on the white setting. There's a purplish tint to the quote-unquote white, so the newer model offers is a dedicated LED. So it's an improved LED module that has a dedicated white. So if you're on the white setting, it's a more pure and vibrant white. So I will be linking the newer model. It's only about 40 bucks more than the model that I purchased, which is still available, but I'll be linking the newer one in the description. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you found this video useful and informative, and drop a comment to let me know what other kinds of household technology, DIY, or other topics that you want me to cover. Let's see what rainbow looks like. It's all the colors.